Hello dear students, today our topic is about writing a notice. So before writing a notice, you have to keep some points in mind, the rules to write a notice, to prepare a notice, to make a notice. Points to be remembered while writing a notice. As we know that there are some rules for writing a notice. So let's check it out what they are. Point number 1, you can see there, a notice must be enclosed in a box. In a box, that means on the page we have to make a box, and in the box itself we are going to prepare the notice. A notice must be enclosed in a box. That means we'll have to prepare notice in a box itself. Second one, word limit should not exceed 50 words. It should not contain more than 50 words. There should not be more than 50 words. Thirdly, only relevant information should be included. The notice we are going to prepare about, there should be only relevant information. There should be only relevant information. Do not add any irrelevant information. The topic we are going to write about, only relevant information there should be. There should be only relevant information in the topic. No other irrelevant, which has no relation, it should not be mentioned. Should not be mentioned in the notice. Number 4, a notice should be written on a fresh page. The page should be fresh. Nothing else should be written on the page on which the notice is written. It should be fully blank and should be neat and clean. Nothing should be written. Personal pronouns like I, me, you and we should not be used. Personal pronouns like I, me, you and we. That means what? It means first person or second person. Personal pronouns like I, me, you and we should not be used. Notice is written in the third person. So these are all I, me, you and we. These are first person and second person. So while making or preparing a notice, we should not use first person and second person. We will have to use third person like he, she, it, they. Lastly, passive form of voice is used to write the body of the notice. While making the body of the notice, writing the body of the notice, there should be used what? Passive form of voice. Passive form of voice should be written like passive form of voice. So passive form of voice is used to write the body of the notice. So what is the body of the notice? We'll check it out. What is personal pronoun? We'll check it out. Or while we'll be having glance of that notice. So let's check it out. Here we have one example of writing a notice. You can see a notice has already been prepared for you. You see there. You can see written here, Colonel Schools, Sonpur, whatever. We can write here, Little Flower School, Visit Village. We'll have to write there. Then here written notice. It will be far better if you are writing or mentioning notice in capital letters, and we'll have to underline while writing notice. We'll have to underline here. Then don't forget to mention the date. The date should be here, December 10, 2016. So what is the date today? Supposed to be 24 or 25. We'll write May 25, then comma 2021. According to question, annual day celebration, about annual day celebration 2016 given. So it's all for reference only. Annual day celebration. So what? This is the body part. This part is known as what? This part is known as what? Body part. So what we got in body part, that it should be in passive form. So what's written here, you see, this is to inform all students that annual day 2016 will be celebrated on December 31st from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. at the school auditorium with various cultural programs. Ottapalam sub-collector, the place name Ottapalam, suppose this is village, Namsa or Mon, whatever. Sub-collector Mr. Ravi Teja, IAS designation, will grace the occasion as the chief guest. So there should be one guest. Name is Mr. Ravi Teja, who is an IAS, and he will grace the occasion as the chief guest. Students who would like to participate in various programs should contact their respective class teachers latest by December 20, 2016. Rani, event in charge. So here the notes up. So we can see here the notice is about annual day celebration written on the date December 10, 2016, and the body part, this is to inform all the students that annual day celebration 2016 will be celebrated. This part is known as what? Body part. It is written in passive form, and this information is given to the students by Rani, and Rani is an in charge, event in charge. So this way we'll have to make or prepare a notice. So let's check it out. One question. You can see one question here. You are Anu Deshmukh or Anup Deshmukh, the sports secretary of Lakshman Public School, Bhilai. Your school has decided to host the regional level volleyball tournament. Draft a notice, prepare a notice for your school notice board, inviting all the children of your school to cheer for the teams. So you can understand the question, that to Deshmukh, that means Anu Deshmukh or Anup Deshmukh, it is informed to prepare or draft a notice for the students, and Anu Deshmukh and Anup Deshmukh, both they are what? Sports secretary of Lakshman Public School. They are the students from Lakshman Public School, Bhilai, and that school has decided to hold regional level volleyball tournament. So Anu Deshmukh and Anup Deshmukh are informed to draft a notice. So how will they draft a notice? Let's check it out. This is the rule of writing a notice. Name of the school, institution, whatever. You can see here. Name of the school here, Lakshman Public School, Bhilai. Little Flower School, Tijit Village. Notice, as I said earlier, notice this should be in capital letters and should be underlined. Date you can mention in right side or left side, no problem. So topic, earlier we got annual day celebration. Here the notice is about to inform the students about regional volleyball tournament. So cheer up given, or in the place of cheer up you can write hosting the regional level volleyball tournament. You can write here. This is to inform all the students that regional level volleyball tournament is being hosted by the school from 1st December to 4th December from 10 am to 12 pm. All the students are requested to come and encourage the participants by cheering for the teams. For more information, contact the undersigned. Signature Anu Deshmukh, as we got earlier in the question itself, sports secretary. So this is the rule of writing or making or drafting a notice.